Okay. We have matching hiccups right now. It's 2012. And we have matching hiccups, and it's so rare. Okay. Do it again, Candace.
I can't
Ready,
just
set,
make heaven.
oh, there goes I. Oh, God. Your turn.
I can't just make it happen.
I know, just wait
It's
for it.
shrimp.
Like that. Pretty sure. Oh, there you go. Pretty sure if I'm gonna puke, it's gonna be because of my hiccups.
Don't
like,
puke.
I'm not gonna puke, but I'm saying, like, if anything made me throw up right now, it'd be my hiccups because it's hurting my fucking throat. Oh my God. Oh, fuck. We just got done at Sherry's. And Candace has the hiccups. I totally have the hiccups, and I just can't even get rid of them. Candace can't get rid of them either. She fucking, look at her right now. Like, she just can't even get rid of the hiccup.
It's really bright.
And the other cool thing is that we have matching scratches. Give me your scratch. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I have a scratch. Oh, my ring is upside down. Hang on, I have to fix that. Okay. Okay. I have a cut on my pinky. Oh God, and she has a cut on her finger. Yeah, so we are gonna go home and go to bed. Look it. You can't tell, but we're on Rusk Road, and we are going up the hill, and we're going to bed because we have twinsia. We both have the same hiccups. We both have paper cut. Oh shit. Don't gag. You can't gag when you hiccup. It makes me want to gag. But we have matching cuts, and we have matching hiccups, and in the morning we have matching work schedules. So we're gonna go home, we're gonna cuddle up and go to bed. Say goodnight, Candace. Look at me and say goodnight.
Night.